Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Thank you for being here today. Today, we want to present about systematic review on nutritional value, physicochemical properties and consumer acceptance of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. But before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Farah Nurdam binti Mama Fuad, and my chemistry number is 23DBT18F 2017.
Hi, my name is Danusha Manikavasan and my metric card number is 23DBT18F 2013.
Hi, my name is Razata Shaila binti Azali and my metric numbers is 23DBT18F 2020. I will start the presentation first. Alright, this is our content. First, we have objective, research question, methodology, result, discussion, conclusion and future direction, and also reference. Okay, next. This is our objective for systematic review on nutritional value, physicochemical properties, and consumer acceptance of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. First, we want to identify the nutritional properties of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. Second, we want to investigate physicochemical properties of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. And also, we want to compare the acceptance of people on mushroom diet based on surveys conducted. Alright, next. For our research question, we want to know what are the nutritional properties of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. Not only that, we also want to investigate what are physicochemical properties of Pyoto saju-saju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom, and last, we want to know what are the acceptance of people on mushroom diets based on survey conducted. I will pass this presentation to Danusha for continue their part.
So now I'll be presenting about the methodology. There are 4 methods, which are search strategy, inclusion and exclusion criteria, selection and data extraction, and also data analysis. First, I will explain the search strategy. We performed a systematic search to identify relevant articles published on databases such as ScienceDirect, Mendeley, Google Scholar, DOAJ, and Research in Education. So each of us searched for articles based on our respective objectives using main keywords and alternative keywords. The main keywords are mushroom, Pleurotus saju-saju, Schizophyllum commune, nutritional value, physicochemical properties, diet, and consumer acceptance. Whereas the alternative keywords are fungi, Pleurotus spp, Schizophyllum spp, nutritive value, food quality, eating plan, and also bias approval. The searching techniques that were used in this research are handpicking, snowballing, and emailing. Next is inclusion and exclusion criteria. 50 journals were filtered out from 300 journals collected based on the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Studies included satisfied the criteria such as only from journals and books, author, nutritional properties such as moisture, ash, crude fiber, vitamins and energy content, physicochemical properties such as proteins, carbohydrate, minerals, water content and fats, acceptance of people on mushroom diet, Asian countries, author name, palatability, mushroom-based products, aroma, texture, juiciness, taste, and overall acceptance. Studies that were excluded from the journals are non-English journals, journals from the year before 2000 and after 2020. Next is the selection and data extraction. Following each search in the above mentioned databases, duplicates were removed and the titles and all the titles and abstracts were screened to select the relevant studies based on inclusion and exclusion criteria. After removing studies that met the exclusion criteria during the initial screening, 15 journals were selected. Finally, the data analysis. The flowchart we have included here shows the process of study selection for the systematic review. Total number of records identified through Google Scholar, Mendeley Library, Snowball Search are 300 journals. Record remaining after removal of duplicates are 200. Records screened are 150. And full text articles assessed for eligibility are 50. Finally, studies included in quantitative synthesis are only 15 journals. For the results, we have tabulated the data extracted from the 15 journals. Table 4.1 shows nutritional values of Pleurotus sajo-caju. In this table, we have included the author's name and the year of the journal published, moisture content, ash content, crude fiber, vitamins and energy content. Whereas in table 4.2 shows the nutritional values of Schizophyllum commune mushrooms, and in this table we have included author's name, year published, moisture content, ash content, crude fiber, vitamins and energy content as well.
Thank you, Danusha. Alright, I'm Razatul. We continue this presentation. Based on the findings from the selected journal, the physical-chemical properties of Pleurotus sajo-caju and Schizophyllum commune mushrooms had been compared. This article focused on the mushroom food quality. Mushroom may help to overcome protein shortage due to their low calorific value and high protein, carbohydrate, fat and mineral content. Figure 4.3 show the result for physical-chemical properties of Pleurotus sajo-caju. Data were collected and summarized in table. The basis of 15 journals that were selected: protein content, carbohydrate content, mineral content, water content and also fat content were the physical-chemical properties of Pleurotus sajo-caju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. What we can see from the table, for the outer lead 2008, the percentage of fat contents low level 2.7% and mineral content 6.5%, but high amount in carbohydrate 63.4% protein and no water content. This is different with total of percentage for Outer Asia 2013. The same trends of fat content were recorded in physical-chemical properties of Pleurotus sajo-caju 2.66% and no mineral content, but the amount in carbohydrate 64.1%, protein 15.7% and water content 10.6% for Outer R 2020. The other result of physical-chemical properties of Pleurotus sajo-caju: powder content low level, water content 0.26%, Carton S 2015. The amount of water in food has an impact on its quality. Figure 4.4 show physical-chemical properties of the Schizophyllum commune mushroom. The percentage of protein content for Outer Ahmad et al. 2010, just 24%, different with another Outer, especially Outer West 2011. From the table, we can see Outer May 100 and Calf 2009 is the lowest, containing different fat content among the others authors. I will pass this presentation to Farah Nunarmia for continue their part.
The result of 10 accepted of people on my mushroom diet was analyzed through 10 journals. Base product from the journal is mushroom flour, maize flour, wheat flour fortified with mushroom, Porato Saju Kaju, sponge cake fortified with mushroom, food tea mixed with hang krang, Schizophyllum commune mushroom, cinnamon biscuit formulated with Porato Saju Kaju, mushroom drink, flour with wet flour with oyster mushroom, Porato Saju Kaju, powder, chicken patty with Porato Saju Kaju.
Moving on to the discussion, based on the findings from the selected journals, the nutritional values of Pleurotus sajo-kaju and Schizophyllum commune mushrooms had been compared. Pleurotus sajo-kaju and Schizophyllum commune mushrooms contain high nutritional values and physicochemical properties. They also play an important role in mushroom diet by providing medicinal properties in human nutrition and health. By analyzing the samples of Pleurotus sajo-kaju, it is determined that the highest nutritional value of grey oyster mushrooms is the moisture content, which is 0.09%, followed by crude fiber content, which is 1.08%, while the lowest nutritional value was possessed by ash content, which is 0.02%. The energy content is 0.09%. Whereas the composition of Schizophyllum commune mushrooms are 71.4% moisture, 50% crude fiber, and 6% ash. The vitamin content determined are vitamin B, vitamin D, and vitamin K. The pharmaceutical potentials of Schizophyllum commune was made stronger by reports of Chui and Lui, 2002, who reported that Schizophyllum commune is pharmacologically important due to presence of schizophyllan, which is a polysaccharide that has considerable anti-cancer activity. Based on studies regarding nutritional values, mushrooms have been discovered to have therapeutic values. Journals reported the mushrooms have anti-tumoral, anti-cancer, anti-cholesterol, and anti-hemorrhage effects. The considerable pharmacological activities of mushrooms make them of interest in pharmaceutical industries for the development of drugs.
Thank you, Danusha. Alright, I'm Razatul. We continue this presentation. Alright, for the discussion. Mushrooms are well known for being healthy due to their low chloride and fat cholesterol content, as well as their high vitamin and other vital nutrient content. Pleurotus sajo-kaju or grey oyster mushroom is common edible fungus that is currently produced professionally for food and food products all over the world. The physicochemical properties of mushroom species, Pleurotus sajo-kaju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom, that are commonly found in Malaysia has been determined in this study. These mushrooms are high in protein, 20% until 25%, and fiber 22% until 23% in dry sample, but low in fat 4 to 4.5%. Carbohydrate content varies between 39% and 43%. Mineral concentration is also high in Pleurotus sajo-kaju and Schizophyllum commune mushroom. Total ash content is 8 until 9.5. Table 4.3 show physicochemical properties of pure Saju Kaju. The percentage of fat contains low level 2.7% and mineral content 6.5%, but high amount in carbohydrate 63.4%, protein 19.23% and no water content. And for table 4.4 show physicochemical properties of Caesar film commune mushroom. The percentage of fat content low level 3% and mineral content 11.7%, but high amount in carbohydrate 50.3%, protein 28% and water content 7%. Also, a total fat content is slightly greater in pure Saju Kaju, contain more carbohydrate. Mushrooms are also rich in mineral content. The amount of water in food has an impact on its quality. I will pass this presentation to Farah Nunarmia for continue their part.
Fortification of powder mushroom at 6 and 10% show better results for nutritional value as well as the quality for the all products. The protein content in both bread and muffin supplement with 10% powder mushroom show an increased template compared to the control. The increase of protein content in both food products was attributed to the high level for protein in mushroom powder. However, the high level of protein content does not affect the scientific value of mushroom. Most food products such as bread, cake, biscuit, prata, rice porridge, and noodle show higher ash content compared to control. Higher ash content means a higher amount of mineral present in food product. The taste, texture, appreciation, and stability of food products supplement with powder mushroom also depend on the concentration of mineral. Mushrooms are an important commodity to generate income for Malaysia. The demand for mushroom in the global market is high and it has stable annual growth of about 15%. There is an increase in the global demand for mushroom with awareness for its culinary, nutritional, and medicinal value, either in the fresh or fried form. Consideration extensive nutritional value of Purato Saju Kaju and Rhizophyllum commune mushroom should be analyzed to study the medicinal properties of mushroom diet in human nutrition and health. Purato Saju Kaju that were commercially cultivate and Rhizophyllum commune that are not commercially cultivate mushroom extract could be filled additive to enhance human immunity as well as disease resistance in Malaysia. Other than that, more research on product-based mushrooms should be done to provide more food alternatives to the consumer.
Alright, this is a few our reference.